Welcome fans to the Hot Wheels Monster Jam unboxing of number 13 or 15 in the Epic Editions. It is the 2018 new look of Gravedigger. This is the old-fashioned graphics of Gravedigger. Some of them call it the Grandma Gravedigger. And we're going to be unboxing it real shortly. Let's take a look of the trucks in the back of the box. There's Gravedigger, of course, then El Toro Loco and the Chromo Frost, Big Kahuna in the tour favorites, Radical Rescue in the Epic Editions, The Bad News Travels Fast in the Clear Crushers, Crusader in the X-Ray Body, Monster Mutt Junkyard Dog in the MJ Dog Pound, Brutus in the MJ Dog Pound, and Pirate's Course in the tour favorites. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So this will be the last unboxing for me from the Mix L that I got. It's been a couple days since I uploaded a video from Mix L, so there we go. The recrushable car. Here comes now the Gravedigger. Awesome. Check that baby out. Incredible design. Let's go ahead up close so you can see it. There's the Monster Jam logo and the Hot Wheels logo, the new look of the Monster Jam logo, which been going on since last year. The Gravedigger, the letters are stacked. There's the ghost in the graveyard. The moon, awesome. That roll cage though is pretty low. But let's go ahead onto the front of Gravedigger. There are those red headlights, the grill of Gravedigger, and there you can see the graphics of the flames. On the opposite side of Gravedigger, you know it's the same, but I always show you guys anyways. Has the BKT Hot Wheel tires, and on the back, which I love, is they have the doors of the Gravedigger on, and they have the skull on the back as well. That's awesome. And so there's two things that I'm not there's nothing on the roof of the truck. Like I was gonna say here was don't really care for the green chassis as well as the green wheels. I rather had a black chassis and gold wheels. That would have been better looking for the old Gravedigger style look. This kind of goes back to the World Finals of when they celebrated the 35th anniversary. So that's why they came out with this one, but this is pretty awesome to be able to come out with an old school look of Gravedigger in the last year for the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. So hopefully you enjoyed this review. I know that there's been already videos of this up and everything, and you've probably seen pictures of it, but you know, I like doing this kind of stuff, and hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on the video, and thank you for tuning in, guys.